Everyone, we're also tracking oil prices. They are climbing this morning as fears of a wider conflict in the Middle East rise after Hamas said its political leader was assassinated in Iran today. To discuss, let's bring in Yahoo Finance's own Ines Ferré, who's been tracking all the developments around this. Ines, what do we know so far?
Yeah, Brad, and we are seeing oil surging this morning. You're looking at WTI that's higher. You're looking at Brent crude that is also higher by 2%, more than 2%, coming off of a 2-month low. That assassination took place in Tehran, in Iran. So Iran and Hamas have both blamed Israel for that. And since Iran has vowed to take revenge after that assassination, that's stoking fears really of a broader conflict. Remember that Iran produces close to 3 million barrels of oil per day. So any disruption in the market, you would see oil going higher because of that. Now, something else that is supporting higher crude prices, that's the weekly survey numbers that came out of API, the American Petroleum Institute, and that showed a 5th straight week of declines in inventories. But we have seen oil at these levels before. We've seen oil at the $80 mark for Brent before. It tends to get faded unless there is a supply disruption. Just before this, we had been seeing some weak economic data coming out of China, and that had moved oil lower. So we'll have to see how these next several days shake out, guys.
Yeah, and Inez, on the back of that, we're also seeing some movement in gold ticking higher on the heightened geopolitical risk.
Yeah, that's right. Because of that heightened political risk, you're seeing oil going up almost 1% there. Also, you have the BOJ, the Bank of Japan, that their decision to raise interest rates, which indicates a move lower for the U.S. dollar. A weaker dollar lifts assets that are priced in dollars up. So you will see a rise in gold prices because of that. And also that Fed decision coming out today. The market widely expecting that the Fed will lay the groundwork for a September cut. So lower interest rates is bullish for gold as well. So part of the reason why you're seeing that move higher too.
All right, Ines, thanks so much for breaking down the movement that we're seeing in the commodities markets here this morning.